Are you experiencing an iPhone overheating issue after the iOS 17 update? In this video, I will walk you through some easy and advanced troubleshooting guides to fix the overheating problem on your iPhone after the recent update. So, let's get started. Method 1. Close all background apps. If you are running too many heavy apps and games in the background, then you can have this problem. So, make sure to remove all the apps and games from the background and try to open the game again. Method 2. Restart your iPhone. Give a simple restart on your iPhone. Often only giving a simple restart on iPhone can solve minor software bugs and glitches. After that, check your issue. Method 3. Check iPhone storage. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap iPhone Storage and check your storage capacity. If your iPhone is running out of storage, then you can have overheating issues. So free up your iPhone storage. You can delete some unnecessary apps and games and also delete some photos and videos to have some free storage. And then restart your iPhone. Method 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, tap Reset, reset all settings. But make sure this will reset all of your settings and all back to default values. Tap Reset all settings again. After following this process, hope the iPhone overheating issue will be solved. Now, if you still have anything to ask, please ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.